Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to style your Mailchimp unsubscribe survey. This is a great way to maintain your brand identity, even when subscribers choose to leave your list, and it gives you valuable feedback in a professional format. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button to access your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, so go ahead and type those in, then click Login to proceed. This takes you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your campaigns and forms. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll find various navigation options, locate and click on Forms. This will expand to show you additional choices. From that expanded menu, select Other Forms. This section houses all the different form types you can create and manage within Mailchimp. You'll now see a list displaying all your active and drafted forms in your Mailchimp account. Take a moment to scroll down and familiarize yourself with the various types of forms available. Once you've reviewed the options, click on Form Builder. This tool is essential for creating and customizing forms to match your specific needs. To design your unsubscribed survey, look for the Forms and Response Emails drop-down at the top of your workspace. Click on it to reveal more options. From this drop-down, locate Unsubscribed Form and click on it. This action will load the form onto your Builder canvas, giving you a base to work with. This is how your default unsubscribed form looks. Now, to really make it your own, look at the top menu and select Design It. This is where the magic happens, as you'll gain access to all the styling controls that let you transform the appearance of your form. You now have the option to adjust and customize several key elements, including the background, header, and outer wrapper. These components control the overall look and feel of your form. By tweaking these settings, you can ensure your unsubscribed survey reflects your brand colors, fonts, and visual style, maintaining consistency across all touchpoints. Finally, check the page, body, forms, and referral badge sections to add even more customization. Each of these areas offers granular control over specific design elements, allowing you to fine-tune everything from text alignment to color schemes. This level of detail ensures your unsubscribed survey looks polished and professional. And there you have it, a fully styled unsubscribed survey that matches your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.